Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I am creating a protective style using Maui moisture for this quarantine edition hairstyle. So stay tuned to see the whole transformation. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair and I'm sectioning it off here, and I'm going to be using the Maui moisture hair mask to start the deep conditioning process.
Oh my god, this smells so good, and the slip is literally amazing. I didn't even put a lot in there, but I can just feel the slip. Yes, babe. Yeah, babe. Curls looking like drip, drop, drip, drip, drop. What?
So I'm going to apply the hair mask in all sections of my hair, making sure to working it in. As I am going to be doing a protective style, I want to make sure that my hair has a great foundation to start with. So I'm wetting it a little bit just to make sure that it is completely absorbing all this product, and just continue to apply the hair mask throughout the rest of my hair. So as I am deep conditioning here, I'm going to be detangling my hair. This product has amazing slip, so it makes it much easier to detangle. As you can see, it's literally like butter, just sliding through. So now that the product is applied all throughout my hair, I'm going to be putting on my shower cap. This is actually by Theodore Vernell, their oversized shower cap. Perfect for this type of deep conditioning. I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, I'm going to be taking it off and showing you guys exactly what it's looking like. So I'm untwisting it here. I'm raveling one section just because I want to see exactly how this product is working. And baby,
the slip is literally still so amazing. Even after 30 minutes, it already feels so soft. My hair was in need of some TLC. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The cat drinking the milk out the goddamn bowl. Name that movie. I mean, it's technically a movie. Yeah, it's a movie. I'm theaters, child. Alright, so just want to show you guys exactly what my curls are looking like. 30 minutes just with the hair mask in. Feeling good. Alright, now I'm going to wash it out, and I am then going to begin the styling process. Alright, so I rinsed the hair mask out, and curls actually look bomb already. This is literally no product in my hair. None. Zero. Zilch. I just rinsed the hair mask out. I'm feeling good. This hair side is a little bit more frizzy, probably because when I dried it, I wring it. So, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do the styling process. Okay, so the bottle's not working here, so I'm going to go old school and just open it up. Y'all know, child, this was before we had all these fancy dispensers. This worked just as fine. So, taking a little bit of, oh, that smells good. You can smell the coconut, but it's not overbearing at all. You can barely smell it. It has a great perfume smell to it, and it's more like a leave-in consistency. So I'm just going to apply that here. I'll use a little bit more. Now, I don't need to put too much in here because I'm just using this as a detangler, as a leave-in as well, because I'm still going to be doing a different product to do the twist. Then I'm going to be using the curl milk from the Maui moisture line to actually be able to style it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit here, squeeze some in my hair. So it's really a light milky consistency. And because I'm doing mini twists and this is a protective style, like I said, I want to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized so it can actually be able to be taken care of while it's under there. I really love these products. Y'all did y'all thing. They feel good. So, step one, mini twist in the mist. So I'm literally just taking it here, twisting on top of it, making sure the twist is nice and taut. As you get a little bit further down, you can detangle again. just to make sure. And you want to swipe off the extra product so there's no product buildup. I'm gonna put the extra product on the next twist. And I know I'm going kind of fast with the twist, but that's just because twists are my thing. So I'm gonna show you guys a little slower. See how I'm trying to keep it tight? You don't want to just twist all loosey-goosey. You want to twist and keep them tight. Although I'm wearing this as a protective style and keeping the twist in, of course you want to make sure that it is still going to be defined. Let's twist too.
So now I'm going to continue that same steps in the process all around my hair, making sure that my twists are nice and defined. These are mini twists, so they're going to take a little bit longer to be able to do the twist since they're not as big and chunky, but they're going to be so neat and beautiful at the end, so it's all worth that time. So I have moved forward within the process and have pretty much almost half of my hair done. I'm going to do this last section over here, making sure that I'm swiping and removing all that excess product so that way it doesn't have any type of remnants or buildup once it dries. And here are the final results. So you can actually rock this style by itself. You can accessorize it to spice it up a little bit. And then once it's dry, you can wear it in that same style for a couple of days or a week, however you choose. This is what it looks like once it's dry. And feel free to take it down after a week of wearing that style. And now you got a twist out. Well, my gems, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how I transitioned to this cute protective style. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, my gems.